What's up everybody and welcome to the Phase Reviews YouTube channel. My name is Jordan and if you are new here, thank you for joining us, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Today I have a quick video for you, but one on something that I'm super stoked to tell you about. This is an aluminum laptop stand from a brand called Mosonth, I believe is how you say it. They reached out to me and they sent me this because they've seen videos in the past where I mentioned that I'm a student, and that is correct. I go to medical school and I am on my laptop constantly, and I like to have my laptop up closer to eye level instead of looking down at my desk. If you're sitting at it for 8 hours a day, all of you out there doing Zoom, you know it's gonna strain your neck and your eyes. So I bought one of these a little while ago. This is kind of a folding laptop stand you can get on Amazon. It's made out of plastic and it has served me well, but this is going to replace it. And today in this video, I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna open this up, let you see how this sets up, tell you my opinions of this little aluminum laptop stand that you can get for super cheap on Amazon. And I'm going to give one away, and I'll give more details on how you can enter to win one of these at the end of the video. So let's dive into talking about this Mosonth aluminum laptop stand. So again, I have been using this guy ever since I bought it, probably about a year ago, and it folds up very compact. But the thing I don't like about it, first of all, is construction. This plastic is kind of flimsy. It's got a lot of like play in it. It also gets fingerprinted really easily, and my biggest gripe is that it just does not go very steep. This as steep as the stand gets. So if I set that right here and grab my laptop and open that up, let me swing out the little arms here. Hold on. See, it's not even directional. There we go. Swing out the little arms. That's about as high as I can get my laptop. And so it's not super high. It's not close to eye level. I mean, it's better than straight on the table, but I needed something a little bit better. So I'm really glad that Mosonth reached out to me about this guy. Let me open this up and show you what is in the box. Now, first thing I noticed when I pulled this out of the package is that it comes in a bag. So if you are throwing this in your backpack like I am, it offers you a slight bit of protection. It also looks good. I just like anything in its own bag, and you know, maybe prevent it from getting some scratches or whatnot. Pulling this out, this is a metal stand. That's another big thing that I like about it. The construction's better, it feels heftier in your hand, but it's not really heavy. It's pretty thin metal, and you can see how flat it folds. So it's not gonna take up a lot of space in your backpack. And actually, if I compare it to this popular one from Amazon, you can see that it's quite a bit smaller in both dimensions, especially that one, okay? I really like that about it. It's got some rubber grips right here where the laptop sits. It's also got some rubber grips right here. So while this is a little bit smaller, you're not gonna have to worry about your laptop falling off. So let me show you how easy this is to set up. You open it up like that, okay? And then you lift up the feet like that, and then you fold out the little cross arms right there. And you have a whole bunch of different height settings. So the lowest one is all the way out here. And there is one thing that I wish I could change about this laptop stand, and that's just that these latched in a little bit stronger. There's nothing really holding them in. They just kind of sit in there. Again, you shouldn't be like moving around with this. Once it's on your table, it should stay there. But just keep in mind, it doesn't exactly latch in. So that's on the lowest setting. But the highest setting is really the reason that I'm excited about this. If I fold these down, that is the highest setting, and that is significantly higher than the old stand. You can see that my laptop is much more vertical now, and this gets the screen a lot closer to my eyes. Now, one of the, I wouldn't say a downside, but one thing to note is that the base for the laptop is a little bit narrow than my old one was. My other one came out to probably about right here on either side. It's not really a problem. One, because unless your desk is crooked or tilted to the side, it shouldn't be sliding anywhere. Two, it's got rubber on it, so that reduces the lack of friction that may cause your laptop to fall off. And then three, it's a lot more stable when you set it on the desk. It's wide enough to accommodate, this is a 15-inch laptop, no sweat. A 17-inch might be a touch big, but it feels really solid. And again, when you're finished up with this guy, tilt that up, fold those in, put it down. That is how small it packs up. So this is the Mosonth aluminum laptop stand, and I really like this. If you're a student and you're on the go and you want to get your camera up a little higher for those Zoom sessions, or you just don't want to strain your neck so much, I can highly recommend this guy, especially for how cheap you can get it. There's going to be a link down in the description. You can go there and purchase one for yourself. Now, if you want to get one of these for free, Mosonth is going to give one away to a subscriber of this video. There's going to be a link down in the description. Go down there, follow that link. You can enter. You can get more entries by doing a few specific things that I'm going to ask you. If you want to enter, I'm going to leave that giveaway up for a week or two and then give away one of these to one of you lucky subscribers. So if you are not, please subscribe to this video. I would love to give one of these to you, and I would love to have you around for all of my future videos where I talk about tech reviews for anything from audio products to camera gear to DJ lights. If it's cool and it interests me, I'm going to tell you about it. So thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.